As the sun set over the small town of Greenfield, a strange green glow began to emanate from the sky. At first, it was just a faint light, but it quickly grew in intensity until it was a massive, swirling tornado cloud. The townspeople were terrified as the twister touched down, its green radioactive glow illuminating the surrounding landscape. As the tornado ripped through the town, it sucked up everything in its path, including homes, cars, and even people. The twister's green glow grew brighter and brighter, casting an eerie light over the destruction it was causing. But as quickly as it had appeared, the tornado vanished, leaving behind a trail of devastation. The townspeople emerged from their shelters to find that their homes and belongings were gone, replaced by a strange, glowing radiation that seemed to pulse with a life of its own. As they tried to make sense of the disaster, they heard a strange, otherworldly voice whispering in their ears. It was the voice of the tornado, speaking to them in a language they couldn't understand. Slowly but surely, the townspeople began to realize that the tornado was not just a natural disaster, but a harbinger of something much bigger. They had stumbled upon a secret, ancient power that had been hidden for centuries, waiting to be unleashed upon the world. As the townspeople worked to unravel the mystery of the green tornado, they discovered that they were not alone in their quest for knowledge. A secret organization, known only as the Vine Twisters, had been watching them from the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The Vine Twisters were a group of powerful beings who had been awakened by the tornado's green glow. They were determined to harness the power of the radiation for their own purposes, and they would stop at nothing to achieve their goals. As the townspeople fought to protect their homes and their lives, they realized that the green tornado was not just a natural disaster, but a battleground in a war between good and evil. They were the only ones who could stop the Vine Twisters and save the world from their evil plans. With the fate of the world hanging in the balance, the townspeople banded together, using their courage and determination to fight against the forces of darkness. And as they did, the green tornado glow grew brighter and brighter, illuminating the path to victory.